Hey everyone, I'm Amit and I'm back with another review video. Today we are taking a closer look at the POCO X8 Pro. I have been using this device for over 7 days now and I have to say I'm absolutely in love with it. POCO has been doing incredible work over the past few years, consistently delivering fantastic devices. It all started with their very first launch, the iconic POCO X2, and the POCO X8 Pro is here to carry on that legacy in style. The POCO X8 Pro is packed with some seriously impressive specs. It's powered by the blazing fast Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset and it features a stunning 6.59-inch 1.5K 120Hz ultra bright AMOLED display that's perfect for media consumption and gaming. On the camera front, it boasts a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS for sharp, shake-free shots, along an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing more of your surroundings. And let's not forget the massive 6500 mAh battery with 100-watt turbocharging, ensuring you stay powered up throughout the day.
Also, please excuse my voice today. I'm actually down with a fever, but I did not want to leave you guys without a video. I hope you still enjoy the content and thanks for being so understanding.
The POCO X8 Pro marks a stylish leap from the POCO X7 Pro, swapping plastic for a premium aluminum frame and glass back. Both surfaces feature a soft matte finish that not only resists fingerprints but also lends a sophisticated high-end feel in hand. It is a tactical upgrade that defies its mid-range price tag, proof that POCO listened to feedback. The POCO X8 Pro has a unique and stylish design. Its camera island is a simple vertical oval, making it stand out. The sleek, minimalistic look avoids bulky modules, giving it a modern and premium feel. At 201 grams and 8.38 mm thick, it feels comfortable in your hand. Due to its smaller size and build quality, it is comfortable to hold even for longer periods. The POCO X8 Pro boasts an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, making it a reliable companion even in rainy conditions or during accidental spills. Let's talk about the ports and buttons. On the right side, you will find the volume rockers and the power button, which are easy to access. On the bottom edge, there is a SIM card tray, a speaker grill, a USB Type-C port, and a microphone for calls and recordings. On top, there is a noise cancelling microphone to enhance call clarity along with an air blaster for controlling home appliances. Another cool feature is the amplified earpiece, which doubles as a second channel for stereo audio output, delivering an immersive sound experience. The POCO X8 Pro's 6.59-inch 1.5K ultra bright AMOLED display is stunning. With a 2756x1268 resolution and 12-bit color depth supporting 68 billion colors, it delivers vibrant, lifelike visuals with sharp details and excellent contrast. Whether gaming or watching videos, the display offers an exceptional experience with accurate, vivid colors that truly impress. I absolutely loved the POCO X8 Pro's display and how vibrant content looks on it. If you consume a lot of media, this phone will surely impress you. Over the past week, I have tested it with various videos and games and the visual experience has been outstanding. The POCO X8 Pro's display is a game changer with its 3500 nits peak brightness, making it exceptionally visible even in bright sunlight. The automatic brightness adjustment works flawlessly, ensuring optimal visibility at all the times. Adding to its appeal, the device comes with Widevine 11 certification, allowing you to stream your favorite content in HD on platforms like Netflix. For durability, POCO has equipped the front display with Gorilla Glass 7i, offering solid protection against scratches and drops. The 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate further elevate the experience, making everything from scrolling through social media to gaming feel incredibly smooth and responsive. Added Wet Touch 2.0 ensures responsive controls even with damp fingers, a practical upgrade for active lifestyles. The standout feature of the POCO X8 Pro is undoubtedly its chipset. It's powered by the Dimensity 8500 Ultra built-on 4nm process paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. The chipset delivers incredibly stable and smooth performance across the board. The POCO X8 Pro handles everyday tasks with ease, effortlessly switching between the multiple apps and excelling at heavy multitasking without any hiccups. The chipset's power shines not only in impressive benchmark scores but also in real-world usage. Whether gaming, multitasking, or browsing, the efficiency and speed are undeniable. This phone truly lives up to its flagship label. Shall we discuss my favorite part now? Yes, it's gaming. Part of what makes the POCO X8 Pro so efficient is its cooling system. POCO's 3D dual-layer ice loop cooling system, which pulls heat away from the guts of the POCO X8 Pro and lets it dissipate through the heat-conducting aluminum frame. POCO's Wild Boost optimization dynamically manages thermals, frame rates, and network connections to meet your needs based on the performance, battery battery saver or balanced optimization setting. My early sessions have been buttery smooth with no lag but immersive gameplay. Let's talk about the cameras now. POCO X8 Pro boosts a 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 primary sensor with an 1.5 large aperture. This wide aperture allows more light to enter, resulting in vibrant and detailed photos even in low light conditions. We also get an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and large group photos. The image quality is really very good. With an ample amount of light, you can take some excellent shots with plenty of details, accurate color and vividness in them. The white balance is pretty consistent and the dynamic range is really great. The inclusion of OIS is brilliant. No need to worry about the blurry photos taken typically on the go.
The POCO X8 Pro excels at night photography for its price point, producing impressively bright and clear images. Its advanced 50 megapixel main sensor, powered by the Sony IMX882 technology, is specifically optimized to maximize low light performance. The camera delivers a smooth, pleasing aesthetic with a focus on vibrant exposure, while the primary lens consistently captures well-lit screens even in challenging environments.
Portrait shots are equally nice. From contrast and exposure handling to depth estimation, everything goes smoothly and perfectly. The 20 megapixel front camera offers a good level of skin tone rendering, portrait mode with HDR, ensuring stunning selfies in any lighting condition. The video quality out of the main camera was great. In daylight, the main sensor delivers sharp, detailed shots that feel true to life. Video goes up to 4K at 60 FPS on the rear. For everyday moments, it is reliably good. The images have that natural look. I appreciate that no heavy processing, just honest photography, sometimes perfectly fine in exactly what you need. Overall, it's a solid camera performance. HyperOS experience on POCO X8 Pro feels great too. Yes, here we get the HyperOS 3.0 based on Android 16 out of the box. I have superb fluidity in my overall usage experience. We also get a flagship level unlocking experience with the in-display fingerprint scanner. It's accurate and fast. You can also use the face lock unlocking if you prefer. Battery life is a key factor for uninterrupted use, and the POCO X8 Pro excels here with its massive 6500 mAh battery. After a day of moderate usage, I still have around 40% left, which is impressive. It comfortably lasts a full day under medium to heavy use. That's where another standout feature comes in: 100-watt turbocharging, making phone from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes. Additionally, I did not notice any battery drain issues while the phone was idle. It also supports up to 27-watt reverse charging, handy for giving a quick power boost to your earbuds, smartwatch, or even your friend's phone in a pinch. The audio experience on the POCO X8 Pro is top-notch. With Dolby Atmos certification, the sound quality is clear and immersive, enhancing our overall audio-visual experience further. The POCO X8 Pro truly impresses as a well-balanced flagship killer. With its stylish design, stunning display, powerful performance, and reliable battery life, it is an all-rounder device. Backed by 100-watt charging and a massive 6500 mAh battery, it delivers an actual flagship experience. Highly recommended for anyone seeking top-tier value in the smartphone. Alright guys, that was all for the video. Really hope you guys have enjoyed the review and found it useful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.